Last week, I alerted you guys over on Twitter and YouTube that there is over $4 million in confirmed options calls for OPEN. That there is a good chance that price was going to run to $5 in the coming weeks. Well, since that video, the stock is now up over 65%. That whale that we would have followed into that position is up over 300% and has now made over $15 million. Now, if you have not watched that video, I really recommend that you go back and take a look because I explain in detail exactly why that call flow was so strong. Long story short, if we take a look, there were people buying millions of dollars worth of call options expiring 9/19/2025 for a $1.50 strike, which was deep in the money, and they were buying above the ask. Now, the reason that $5 was my target was simply because of this indicator here on the right side of your screen. Now, this indicator is called the THT volume profile. There are other volume profiles out there, but this is the specific way that I like to set mine up. And if you want to get access to it for free and learn how to use it in less than 30 minutes, the link to our trading strategies are down in the description, and you can start with the volume profile blueprint. Now, what this indicator shows is where the most buying and selling volume has been within the past 150 weeks. And this is extremely important because the thicker the volume profile is, the stronger of a resistance that we have. Now, a strong resistance gets broken, then there's a very good chance that price is going to explode. More importantly, where we have no volume at all, these very thin bars, this acts as a price vacuum, and price wants to fill through that vacuum very, very quickly. That's why we were saying within this video that if we were going to break through it, you can see previously on that video that we were at $3 and we couldn't get through it. But if that happened, the run to $5 would be very, very easy because there's no selling pressure. There's no resistance happening there. And since then, price is now up over 77%. Now, if I had gotten in on that breakout, which I did not, I told you guys in that video, I was not going to get in because of just how volatile this is. I would be looking to take some sort of profits at this point. In most cases, when I'm trading a breakout like this, once we get up to this previous resistance where price once was, I will normally take about 30 to 40% of my shares off the table because there's a chance that price continues to run, but you don't want to get stuck holding the bag if price dumps 30% within a session or two. But also, if you want to play that breakout continued, you don't want to close it all now. This is where scaling out of positions helps. The other thing that I would be taking a look at is this buy sell pressure indicator at the bottom of your screen. This is one of my favorite indicators I use to see if buyers are stepping into the market. It's called the BX Trender. Once again, free down in the description in our courses. And basically, when it's green and showing higher highs, it's showing that buyers are stepping in and that we should see a breakout. When it flips red, that's normally an indication that price is going to pull back or compress. So this is breaking out. This played out to perfection, and I want to congratulate anybody who took this trade. I personally, which I'm not in, would be taking some profits off the table right now, even if it's 20, 30%, then monitoring the BX Trender down below to take the rest off the table. I hope this video helped, guys. If you want to learn our strategy for free, get access to all the indicators, like we said, all of our courses are down in the description, and I'll see you next time.